Merry Christmas, fam. The most magical day of the year is here. And what better way to celebrate than gifting yourself a moment of movement and joy? Let's unwrap some flexibility and strength to fuel your festive spirit. Whether you've been on your feet preparing for the holiday or just rolled out of bed ready to celebrate, this routine is perfect for you. If your hips or back are feeling tight, I promise these 5 minutes will bring you relief and leave you glowing like a star on top of the tree. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a cozy mat or soft surface, and a bit of space by the tree, in the living room, or wherever you feel the holiday magic. Today's routine is a thoughtful blend of grounding stretches and hip opening flows, designed to bring relaxation and renewal. By the end of the session, you'll feel open, aligned, and ready to spread the holiday cheer. Let's start with a grounding stretch, Child's Pose, to ease into the holiday mood. Kneel on your mat, bring your big toes together, and open your knees wide like unwrapping a present. Sit your hips back toward your heels, extend your arms forward, and rest your forehead gently on the mat. Take deep, soothing breaths. This pose releases tension in your lower back and hips while grounding your mind. It's like pressing pause amidst the holiday hustle. I promise each exhale will melt away stress and make you feel more at ease. Place a cushion between your heels and glutes if your hips feel tight, or rest your forehead on a block for added support. Take one last deep breath, and as you exhale, come to all fours for our next movement. Now, let's wake up your hips with some alternating internal hip rotations. From all fours, in a squatting position, drop your right knee towards your left foot, and come back to center. And drop your left knee towards your right foot. Keep alternating, moving gently side to side for 1 minute. This movement loosens up your hips, improves mobility, and sets the foundation for the day's activities. It's like unwrapping a gift for your lower body. I promise you'll feel freer with every rotation. If your knees feel sensitive, place a folded towel under them for extra cushioning. Keep the movement small and controlled if you're new to the stretch. After your final rotation, settle into a kneeling position for a flowing hula hoop stretch. Let's keep the holiday flow going with some full hula hoops to release your lower back and hips. From a kneeling position, place your hands on your hips. Begin to circle your hips in a smooth, flowing motion. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction, creating a rhythmic movement. Imagine you're twirling your festive wreath around your waist. This dynamic stretch improves hip mobility and gently massages your lower back. I promise this will feel like hitting reset for your entire lower body. If kneeling isn't comfortable, stand up and perform the same movement with your feet hip width apart. Let's take this festive flow down to the mat for a beautiful chest opening stretch. Time to open your heart with the Sphinx Pose, perfect for the season of giving. Lie on your stomach with your elbows under your shoulders, forearms parallel to each other. Press gently into your forearms to lift your chest, keeping your hips grounded. Breathe deeply, feeling your chest expand with every inhale. The stretch opens your chest, lengthens your spine, and releases tension in the lower back. It's like taking a deep breath of holiday joy and letting it flow through your entire body. If this feels too intense, lower your chest slightly or place a folded towel under your elbows for added support. Take one more deep breath, and as you exhale, Roll onto all fours to prepare for a final stretch. Let's wrap up with some thigh hydrants to strengthen and stabilize your glutes and hips. On all fours, keep your core engaged and lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Lower it back down with control and repeat for 30 seconds. Switch to your left side, focusing on slow, intentional movements. This movement activates your glutes and improves hip stability, helping you move with strength and ease. I promise your hips will feel stronger and more alive, ready for whatever the day brings. Reduce the range of motion if this feels too challenging, focusing instead on maintaining control and proper form. Finish your last rep, sit back on your heels, and take a deep breath to close out the festive flow. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've opened up your hips, loosened up your spine, and embraced the spirit of self-care this holiday season. Showing out for yourself, especially on a busy day like Christmas, is a gift in itself. Remember, small, consistent efforts lead to big changes over time. Before you leave, fam, just remember that you've already won the day just by showing up. When you see the next notification bell go off, just press play. It's that simple. And that can only happen if you subscribe to the channel. Feel free to invite your friends and family to join the fam for even more holiday cheer. Don't forget to grab your free gift in the description. It's my present to help you level up your fitness journey. Keep spreading the festive energy. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Merry Christmas, fam.